Welcome friends. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis, I will do technical analysis and I will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. For more informative content and very useful information, links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now, and if you are new on my channel then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit Exchange, then go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange and Bybit Exchange. Once you click on Bybit Binance link, and after creating your account and after deposit, you can get $700 bonus absolutely free. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus, then this is the link. Click on this link and create your account, and after deposit you can get $1,600 bonus, which is withdrawable and which is tradable too. And if you create your Binance account with my link, then you can get every trades 25% discount in your fees. Let's dive into the content right now. This video is very important because in this video I will show you many charts and my targets according to the Bitcoin situation and what are my thoughts. I'm going to show you all these things right now. So please watch this video until end. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Bitcoin was in this pattern, and after that, I was told you that Bitcoin break this, and I was set this target 35,685, and Bitcoin hit 35,287. It was the trade of approximately. Let me please show you. With 10x, it was trade of near about 48%. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. But I was told you that there is very strong resistance is waiting for the Bitcoin is at that point $34,800 to $35,000, and after hitting 35,000 near about $300, Bitcoin is now moving towards downside. What is the next target? Let me please remove this because there is no need of this pattern right now. Let me clean this chart. Friends, if you want to earn crypto, then please subscribe my channel because I will give you daily Bitcoin price target in my daily technical analysis video. Here you can see this is very unfortunate, but this is true. Bitcoin is creating a double top and it is like a M pattern. If Bitcoin goes down to hit this zone, let me please show you this zone, and if Bitcoin break this, in that case, let me please tell you, if I sorry for that, if I calculate from top to bottom, it is the top, and if I calculate this, and if I set it to the bottom, that line, it can lead Bitcoin to $29,000. Yes, my dear friends, it can lead Bitcoin to $29,000. This is very unfortunate, but it is maybe true. Bitcoin, let me please remove this. Bitcoin is breaking this very strong support, which was at $33,400 level, and now it is turning as a resistance for the Bitcoin. There is major support for the Bitcoin is right now is at $32,180. Here you can see where Bitcoin touched several times, and after touching that point, Bitcoin bounced towards upside. Sorry for that. Our first bearish target is this zone, $32,200. $32,200 is our bearish target. This is the support zone. Bitcoin should have to bounce back after hitting this zone. If Bitcoin break this zone, in that case, it can go down to hit this zone, $30,800. Let me please label on this. This will be our first target, you can say, and very unfortunate. This will be our second target, and my last bearish target I was told you $29,000. Bitcoin is looking bearish right now, and let me please show you some indicators. Bitcoin unfortunately break overly ribbon and it is bearish right now, and this is turning as a resistance for the Bitcoin right now. Let me please show you the volume. Volume is not very satisfactory. Maybe price can move sideways. And let me please show you the RSI. RSI is going to below 30. It is at 32. If it goes down to 30, it means Bitcoin price will further go down. And let me please show you 4-hourly chart. This is Bitcoin. Let me please arrange this. This is Bitcoin 4-hourly chart. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Bitcoin break this descending triangle, descending wedge, and I was told you that this was the target. But I was told you that this was the zone, 34,800 to $35,000 level. I was told you maybe Bitcoin can pull back from that zone, and here you can see Bitcoin is right now pulling back. Let me please remove this. This video is very important. Please watch this video complete. Let me please remove this. If Bitcoin retests this zone and after Bitcoin pull back, in that case it can again go down to goes to $36,000. But if unfortunately Bitcoin goes down to hit this zone, $31,000, then next target is $29,000. You have to be very careful in your trades. Please do not use high leverage. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Unfortunately, Bitcoin closed 4-hourly candle below this EMA ribbon. That means Bitcoin price can be further go down. Let me please show you the VPVR. VPVR mostly biggest tower of VPVR volume tower is at $36,300 and $35,000, and after that $34,800 to, if I calculate the area, $32,400 to $36,700 is the area where more buying and selling orders are waiting to execute. Once Bitcoin break this $32,000 area, in that case very small VPVR tower indicating that Bitcoin price can further go down. And once Bitcoin break this area, $36,700, in that case there are small VPVR towers indicating that price of the Bitcoin can go up. And let me please hide these indicators. Let me please hide this. And in my yesterday's video I was told you that let me please arrange this. Bitcoin is still in this channel, and here you can see. Let me please arrange this. Bitcoin break this descending channel towards upside, but unfortunately Bitcoin is ready to win in this descending channel again. This descending channel can lead Bitcoin to this zone, which is, let me please show you, which is this zone, 28,500, maybe 29,000, 28,500. This is very unrealistic, but this is very unrealistic and unlikely, but Bitcoin can do this. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and Bitcoin is still in this range, which is $42,000 to $29,000. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon. Bitcoin, unfortunately, Bitcoin break this daily EMA ribbon towards downside. Bitcoin price to break this towards upside, but fail, and no candles are far below. That means this is very strong resistance for the Bitcoin right now. Let me please show you the volume and VPVR. Volume is not very satisfactory, maybe some sideways action, and VPVR strong towers are waiting from $32,000 to $39,000. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for the Bitcoin. And after that, $47,000 to $58,000, there are most buying and selling orders are waiting for the execution. Let me please show you the RSI. RSI is going down towards 30. It is at 39. If it hit 30, it's mean Bitcoin can be very, very bearish. Let me please show you another chart. This is Bybit chart, and I was told you in my last video, Bitcoin is in this broadening wedge, and I was told you if Bitcoin move towards upside, then it can hit $40,000 again. And if Bitcoin reject from that zone, $35,000, $36,000, in that case, it can hit again $30,000. Sorry, $31,000, maybe $30,700. The bottom line of this descending broadening wedge is $30,500, $30,700. This is the area. Maybe price goes down to hit this zone, and after hitting this zone, Bitcoin price maybe can move towards upside. We have to look this area very, very carefully. $30,700 to $30,300. This is the area where Bitcoin can bounce back again.